Bro.
Welcome to our stadium.
Yes.
I'm Danny P. by name. What's your name?
I am Khalid Sonex.
Oh, wow, nice to see you.
Yes.
Yeah. Before we start this program, can I ask, are you a Malians?
No. I'm not actually. I'm not a Malian, understand?
But what is this doing with?
Many people ask me this question, understand? But not that I am Malian, understand?
Okay.
That as a nigga,
Okay.
guess what time? So we see your brain just dead door. So
Low.
yes, you need something that
To
can
hide.
give you inspiration.
Okay, so that
Yes.
you can see
Double.
like double. You
Yes.
can see.
Yes.
My second question now is that now between HIV and Corona, which one will you prefer?
But it has zero be you. I for first take God wey fire you first. Na that question, you know say all the two disease, I dey they call am, they bad o.
I know.
But at all, I bad. So I go just manage choose that HIV.
Why not Corona?
But that Corona the way I hear, no be say do person wey I see o.
Okay.
I just hear am from people mouth say Corona too bad. Like the thing hold you 40 hours, you don kpai. You don kpai. I tell you.
Okay.
So but this HIV you fit sustain like 15 years. If you pass so that you know they give you food say this one you go chop am for 15 years. This one you go chop am for 40 hours. Which food you go carry?
I'll carry 15 years.
Definitely HIV win.
As you get the Corona now, so will you share the Corona to your friends or you will take the Corona within yourself and just maintain it like that and cure it? Or you will share it?
Yes, I got you.
Yeah.
See, thank you very much for that question, understand? You know, as we niggas, everything is all about love, understand?
There's love in sharing.
Yes, and a cheerful giver can never lack.
Never lack.
Yes. So as I deal with you, anything I get with the two together, understand? The raw things.
Okay.
In a woman, I go chop, I go give you say guy. If I dig out, understand?
No. You go sharp woman.
Wait. So as I did that, anything I get, we go share it together. So as me, they go for big bad thing.
Okay.
As we are get Corona now,
Yeah.
if I see you that you be the first person who I go hug. So that even though that money I get, we dey share it together. That
No.
hey, get.
Why you go share? You go.
See, my nigga here. What is your name, sir? If I see Jose, I say Jose, oh boy, help me.
I no go hug you.
I don't give you
No, I don't.
so that we go die together. We go reach for heaven now. We go see the flesh together. So if I go leave me now, joy no go dey. Everywhere go dey bowling.
You go dey bowling
I go
too.
share am.
So
I will
that
take
they
it
must
now.
come to heaven.
I don't say anything where we dey run together. So when we go reach there now, we still dey run forever
Forever.
together. In our hellfire, we still dey hellfire together.
Thank you for joining us on this show.
Thank you,
You are
Daddy.
welcome. We wish we can see you next time.
Voilà,
But
thank
now you agree that you are in Malians.
No. One side of me is Malian. One side of me
Other side
is not Malian.
It's God dance.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
You already did that.
Welcome to the show.
Just.
You will
You get one.
Yeah!